following video will go through the step-by-step process of making an HOS edit as a driver on Geotab Drive. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the HOS tab, go to the log section, and there you'll be able to see a breakdown of all your logs. To find the section that you'd like to edit, simply scroll on the arrows at the top. And for this log, we'll be making the edit for this time period here. To make the edit, either click on the box directly on the graph or scroll down and select the appropriate time. Once you've done that, you can change the status. And now we can see that the edit has been made directly onto the graph. Another way to make an edit is to simply add a log, change the status, select the appropriate date and time, and then add an annotation, and click Add. Another place where the edit can be seen is directly on the status page. And then if you go back to logs, an important note to make is that drivers will get a notification regarding any edits that have been made by the administrator of the account. Then the driver will have to verify those edits. And those are the step-by-step process of making an HOS edit as a driver on Geotab Drive.